Today is in fact a very big day both for the Aam Aadmi Party and for Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court is all scheduled to announce the verdict regarding Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's petitions for bail. A bench which is led by Justice Surya Kant will pronounce the ruling today. Arvind Kejriwal has in fact submitted 2 petitions contesting the denial of bail and the legality of his arrest in connection with the corruption investigation which has been initiated by the CBI. Now, when the matter was heard on the 5th of September, the CBI argued Arvind Kejriwal should have first approached the trial court for bail instead of directly moving to the Delhi High Court. In fact, the CBI has also contended Arvind Kejriwal is likely to tamper with evidence and even hamper the ongoing probe in the Delhi excise policy case if he is in fact released on interim bail. A very big day both for the Aam Aadmi Party and for Arvind Kejriwal. There are 2 petitions which Arvind Kejriwal has filed with regards to the denial of bail and also the legality of his arrest in connection with the corruption investigation which has been initiated by the CBI. The matter was heard on the 5th of September, and that time we saw how the CBI had vehemently argued Arvind Kejriwal should not be given bail. All eyes on what the Supreme Court will say today. The CBI said that Arvind Kejriwal should have approached the trial court for bail, but instead he directly moved the Delhi High Court. My colleague Kanushada is now joining me on the story. Kanushada, will he come out? Will he not come out? That has been the big question on everyone's mind for the past many months. What can we expect today?
Well, Aishwarya, to inform our viewers, there will be 2 verdicts from the Supreme Court today. There are 2 judges who were on the bench when the bench had heard Arvind Kejriwal's bail petition in the CBI case, Justice Surya Kant and Justice Ujjal Bhuyan. So what we have gathered from the cause list, which was updated late last night, that there will be 2 separate verdicts. So it will be difficult to predict that whether there will be a concurrent verdict or whether there will be a split verdict. But as far as the legality of the case is concerned and the precedents in the past in the same case when Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, Vijay Nair and BRS leader K. Kavita, all accused in the same case with the same charge sheet, same kind of charges against all of these, they have been given bail only on the ground that there could be a delay in the trial. The trial has not started so far. The number of witnesses are on a higher side. There are a lot of documents which needs to be examined. So all these grounds, all these people have been granted bail. So even if there is a difference of opinion between the judges today, there could be some kind of relief for Arvind Kejriwal, because remember, the Enforcement Directorate, in which the Supreme Court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal, has referred the main question, the constitutionality of the question, to a larger bench, and in the meantime has given interim bail. So legal experts are opining that he could be given an interim bail in case there is a split verdict between the 2 judges. And even if there is no split verdict, if there is a concurrent judgment which is coming through, we could literally see, the Arvind Kejriwal could be, walking out of jail today if the bail is granted to Arvind Kejriwal, because in the ED case he's already on the interim bail by the Supreme Court. So if the judges agree and given bail today, he will definitely walk out from jail.
Thank you, Kanushada, for giving us all those details. All eyes on the very crucial hearing that will take place today.